So over here, when you first open up Google Classroom, then this is what you see right here in the home page. And let's say what you want to do is you want to create a classroom and start uploading contents to it. So in that case, from the home page, you can see that create class is a button right here that you can actually go around and click right here. And you need to go around and understand this out right here. That is, you can need to accept the notice and click on continue. So now there are some details that you need to enter. For example, you need to go around and add in class name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say graphics design right here as name right here. Then you need to add in section right here. So I'm just going to go around and say online 1 right here. And subject will be, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say Canva right here, just like this. And in the room, I'm going to go around and say Google Meet right here, just like this. You can go around and add in physical details over here as well, but you can go around and add in any details like this as you wish. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on create, and what happens is that a classroom will be created. So you can see that this is what you have, and as soon as I created, you can see that the classroom has been created as a card over here in the front, and everything is being prepared. And once that is prepared, this is what you can see right here. You got the classword that you can share out with your students, and if they were to use this, then they will be able to go around and join your classroom. And this is what you have. A classroom has been created right here. If I were to go around onto home, you can see your classroom right here. And if I want to add in more classrooms, then you need to go around over here and click on the plus button, and you can either join or create classroom over here as well. So this is what we're looking at, create class. So I'm just going to go around and click on create class, accept the notice and click on continue right here. And I'm going to go around and say general computing right here, just like this. So general computing, and let's say, for example, section will be online 2 right here, and subject will be, let's say, for example, office packers right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and type this in. And I'm going to go around over here in the room and say, let's say, for example, Google Meet itself. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And if I were to create another classroom will be created as well, as you can see. So you can see that it is loading. It is creating out the classroom right here. And then you can see that it is loading, and that is normal, and you can see that this is what you have right here, and this is the another classroom code that you have right here, just like this. So if I were to go to home, then you can see that I got 2 classes now. So I got graphic design class right here, and I got general computing class over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and then create a class as you like inside of Google Classroom, and then start creating classrooms so that you can use for teaching. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.